Always make those above you feel comfortably superior in your desire to please and impress them. Don't go too far in displaying your talents, or you might accomplish the opposite. Inspire fear and insecurity. Make your masters appear more brilliant than they are, and you will attain the heights of power. Question: how can I apply this law? Never outshine the master in a modern workplace settings. First, keep in your mind the stars in the sky. There can be only one sun at a time. Never obscure the sunlight or rival the sun's brilliance. Rather, fade into the sky and find ways to heighten the master star's intensity. The question is, how can I apply this law? Never outshine the master in a modern workplace settings. Keep in your mind to apply the law, never outshine the master in a modern workplace setting. Consider these strategies. Number 1. Acknowledge contributions. Regularly recognize your boss' ideas and decisions in meetings. These phrases like, as you suggested, we achieved great results, to enforce their leadership. Second, seek guidance. Ask for your boss' advice to projects or challenges. This shows respect for their expertise and make them feel valued. Number 3, support their visions. Align your work with your boss' goals and initiatives. Demonstrating commitment to their visions can enhance their sense of authority. Number 4, share credit. When discussing success, emphasize the role of boss in achieving results. This not only highlights their importance but also fosters a collaborative environment. 5, be humble. While showing your achievements, maintain a humble demeanor. Express gratitude for the opportunities provided by your boss, reinforcing their positions. Keep in your mind, by implementing these strategies, you can navigate workplace dynamics effectively while ensuring your boss feels secure and appreciated. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next. Goodbye.